Let's take a look at memory management here. I am in the AVEVA Application Manager, and from the Tools menu, I'll select Node Properties. And the focus of our discussion is this tab here called Memory Management. The settings here for size and starting. Location are used by a feature of InTouch called the heap, and the heap basically controls a shared memory space. Between the various applications of InTouch, you would only adjust these. Values if you change the operating system. For example, values that you see here, 2048 in size and Gero X8 are used by a 64-bit operating system. To see the list for other operating systems, you can come to the help file and look up memory management, and you'll see a table that shows 32-bit. 32-bit with 3 gigabytes, which enabled N64-bit to show you the size of memory and the default. Starting locations that should be used to configure them. It should be noted that this value should only be modified or changed by those experiencing memory conflicts reported in the logger of InTouch.
Thanks for watching. Follow us on social media.